TOOLBOX Shop Towel 6-packs are ideal for use in the garage, shop, or home workspaces. They're economically packaged to accommodate volume use, and they have an easy-to-use carrying handle. They work like cloth and they're extra tough, but they're also soft on hands and face. Disposable TOOLBOX shop towels are an indispensable companion for projects where grease and grime are involved. The blue color helps hide the grease and grime better than white towels, which allows for longer use before being discarded. Introduce TOOLBOX shop towels to your garage, shop, or home, and you'll find out quickly just how useful they can be. They're great for spills, oily parts, cleaning windows, greasy hands, dirty counters, filthy tools, and jobs that call for tough scrubbing. They can even be used for lighter tasks in place of kitchen paper towels. They're more absorbent than cloth shop towels and plenty tough enough for repeated uses. And best of all, they're disposable. TOOLBOX shop towels are made with 40% post-consumer recycled fibers right here in the USA. They meet EPA comprehensive procurement guidelines and provide opportunities to earn credits in several LEED EB existing building O&M categories. We invite you to find out what TOOLBOX Shop Towel 6-packs can do for your favorite workspace. Thank you.